Car Bluetooth adapters in 2026 enable wireless music, hands-free calls, and seamless connectivity for safer, more convenient driving experiences. Today's video is about top 5 best car Bluetooth adapters 2026 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ONN Upgraded 2026 Bluetooth Car FM Transmitter. The upgraded ONN Bluetooth FM transmitter is a game-changer for safer, more convenient driving. Its bright 1.44-inch LCD display makes it easy to view incoming calls, FM frequencies, and battery voltage at a glance, reducing distractions while on the road. The flexible gooseneck and adjustable screen angle let you customize your setup for comfort and quick access, making every drive smoother. Thanks to advanced noise cancellation technology, calls and music sound crystal clear, even on busy roads, while Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity ensures fast pairing, strong signal stability, and minimal lag. You can stream music, take hands-free calls, or follow navigation seamlessly. Versatility is another highlight. The transmitter supports Bluetooth, USB, microSD, TF, and AUX inputs, accommodating multiple devices at once. Dual USB ports provide fast, simultaneous charging for iPhones, Androids, tablets, and GPS units. Compatible with cars, SUVs, and trucks running 12V, 24V, this transmitter combines safety, convenience, and high-quality audio, making it an essential driving companion for modern vehicles. Now our second product is Comsoon Bluetooth Receiver for Car. The Bluetooth 5.0 car audio adapter is a versatile solution for turning non-Bluetooth car stereos, home speakers, or wired headphones into wireless music systems. Simply connect via the included 3.5mm AUX adapter, pair with your phone, and enjoy stable, high-speed streaming with an extended signal range. Equipped with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and DSP technology, this adapter delivers crystal clear audio by minimizing echo and blocking background noise such as traffic, wind, or crowds. The built-in microphone and one-touch MFB button make hands-free calling and navigation safe and effortless, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. The device offers up to 16 hours of battery life, fully charging in just 2.5 hours via the included Type-C cable, and it can even operate while charging for uninterrupted use. Its dual device connection feature ensures you can stream music and stay reachable without manually switching devices, with automatic reconnection to previously paired devices. Compact, efficient, and practical, this Bluetooth adapter transforms any wired audio setup into a seamless wireless experience. Our third product is SONRU Bluetooth AUX adapter for car. The SONRU Bluetooth 5.3 AUX adapter is a high-performance device designed to bring wireless convenience to any wired audio system. Featuring advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures faster pairing, more stable connections, and reduced sound quality loss compared to older versions, making streaming and calls seamless. Equipped with high-quality microphones and CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology, it filters out echoes, background noise, and other distractions, delivering crystal-clear conversations and superior audio quality for music or calls. Its 24-hour battery life supports long listening sessions, and with a full charge in just 1.5 hours, you can enjoy up to 16 hours of use. Plus, it can operate while charging, making it ideal for long trips or daily use. Compact and versatile, this adapter can connect to 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously and works up to 33 feet without obstacles. Perfect for home stereos, car systems, headphones, earbuds, PCs, or in-flight entertainment. The package includes all necessary cables, and SONRU provides reliable customer support for a worry-free experience. Now number 4, SyncWire Bluetooth Transmitter Car Adapter. The Bluetooth 5.4 car adapter with rainbow ambient lights elevates your driving experience with style and functionality. Its humanized ambient light switch lets you enjoy a vibrant rainbow glow in your car, which can be easily turned off with a double press of the red B button for convenience. The captivating backlit design enhances your driving atmosphere while adding a touch of fun. Featuring cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.4 technology, it delivers a faster, more stable connection with minimal sound loss. Pairing takes just 1 second, and your devices automatically reconnect every time you start your car. Noise suppression, CVC, and echo cancellation ensure crystal clear calls and smooth music streaming, while support for USB stick connection, less than or equal to 64 GB, expands your audio options. With dual USB ports, PD36W plus USB A12W, and built-in protections for overcurrent, overvoltage, temperature, and short circuits, it safely charges two devices simultaneously. The high-fidelity hi-fi deep bass provides immersive, dynamic sound that enhances every track. Backed by 36 months warranty and lifetime support, this adapter combines convenience, safety, and superior audio for every drive. And our last choice is Elobeth Retractable Car Charger Adapter. The Elobeth 4-in-1 Retractable Car Charger is a versatile and reliable solution for fast charging on the go. With multi-protocol support including PD, QC 3.0, AFC, MTK, and FCP, it efficiently charges a wide range of devices, from iPhones, iPhone 17/16/15 series, to Samsung Galaxy, S26/S25/S24/S23 series, and Pixel phones. The dual USB ports, USB-A and USB-C, ensure smart, consistent fast charging, while built-in protections guard against overcharging, overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuits, and overheating. Its all-new retractable cable design keeps your car organized and tangle-free, with two cables extending up to 80 centimeters and retracting automatically for easy storage. Broad compatibility ensures it fits vehicles with 12V 24V cigarette ports securely, even on bumpy roads, making it ideal for cars, SUVs, and trucks. Perfect as a gift for drivers, travelers, or tech enthusiasts, this car charger combines convenience, safety, and speed in one compact device. Elobeth also provides attentive customer support, ensuring a worry-free experience for every user. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.